Hi, hello children, welcome to the class. Today we are going to learn about divisibility rules. Before moving to the topic, you have to know what is the meaning of divisible. Divisible means what? If you are taking one number, if you are dividing one number by another, the result should be a whole number. That means the remainder should be as 0. You should get only the quotient. That you will call it as the divisible. It is divisible. It is exactly divisible. For example, if you see 12 divided by 6. So 12 is my dividend, 6 is my divisor. I am dividing this. 6 2s are 12. So here if you see, I am getting the remainder as 0 and I got the quotient as 2, the whole number. That means when you get the remainder as 0, it is exactly divided. That is the meaning for divisible. So 15 divided by 5. So in 5 table, how many times 15 is coming? 3 times. And here also if you see, I am getting my remainder as 0. So it is exactly divisible in 5 table, this 15. Now 16 divided by 3. Come on, check it. In 3 table, 16 is coming? No. Lesser than that, what it is there? 5 3s are 15. I am getting the remainder. Do you say that this 16 is exactly divisible in 3? No, because I got a remainder. If I got a remainder, it means that it is not exactly divisible. So divisible means you should get the remainder as 0. Here is the trick we are going to learn. How to find whether that particular number is exactly divisible by the other number. See, for example, I am giving 4, 5, 3, 6, 8 divided by 2. Immediately I should answer whether it is divisible by 2 or not. So how you will do? If you perform long division, how much time it takes for you to complete the sum? And you should check whether you are getting the remainder as 0. Then only you can say it is divisible by 2 or not. To avoid doing this long division, we are going to learn the divisibility rules. By looking at the number, we can say within a second, immediately we can say that particular number is divisible by the given divisor or not. Come on, let me move to the topic. Here are the rules. Magic. This is your magic. First, we will learn the divisibility rules of 2, 5 and 10. Seeing the particular number, immediately you can say whether that number is divisible by 2, 5 and 10. Why I have made these 3 numbers as a set? All these 3 having the same procedure, the rule is slightly different. If you see divisibility rule by 2, a number can be divided by 2 if the last digit is even number. Even means what? A paired number, right? If the ending digits are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, if it is there, immediately you can say all that particular number is divisible by 2. For example, if they are giving 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 7, 3, 2, tell me this particular number is divisible by 2 or not. Immediately you can see the ones place, the unit digit. If it is even number, definitely this particular number is divisible by 2. So for divisibility rule of 2, what is the rule? You should check the units place. If it is even number, definitely it will divisible by 2. You can conclude without performing the long division. Same divisibility rule of 5. A number is divisible by 5 if the last digit is a 5 or a 0. That means same like that, same procedure, the rule is different. If the units place, if it is having 0 or the units place is having 5, you can conclude that definitely this 4-digit number will be divisible by 5 table. Am I clear? If, for example, I am giving this 2, 3, 4, 7. Now tell me, if it is 8-digit or 7-digit or 6-digit number, immediately you can respond for that. See, 7. 7 is my units place. Now tell me, this particular number is divisible by 5? No, right. So, the units place must be 0 or 5 for the rule of 5. Now, the rule of 10. A number can be divided by 10 if the last digit is a 0. For example, check the units place. If you got 0 in the units digit, definitely you can conclude that it will divisible by 10. For divisibility rule of 5, 0 and 5 should be in the units place. For divisibility rule of 10, the units place should have 0. Then you can conclude that it is definitely divisible by 10. So this is the set 1, 2, 5 and 10. Same procedure, the rule is different. Am I clear? So in our part 2, we will learn the remaining numbers. Still, if you have not subscribed my channel, subscribe it and hit the bell icon for future notifications. Whichever I am putting the video, you will get a notification in that. So like this video and share it to your friends if you understood and if you liked it. Thank you.